Hello everyone, let's make the best chicken katsu you've ever tasted. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
The first step is to pound the meat so we can have a soft chicken. And in order not to damage the texture of the chicken, we can put a plastic bag on it and hit it with whatever kitchenware we have. Guys, calm down. Let's add salt and freshly milled black pepper to both sides of the chicken. For the crisp, we need the mixture of egg with cold water. For the next step, it's better to use a chopstick. Okay, we don't need the chopsticks anymore. For the next step, put it into the oil so it fries entirely. Let's do the action again and again. It normally takes 6 to 8 minutes to get this golden brown color. This is called the Love Symphony. Oh my god, just look at that. Now let's make one type of katsu sauce. Add ketchup, brown sugar, soy sauce, Worcestershire, garlic powder, and black pepper. Voila! Put it on the stove for 3 to 4 minutes to boil just a little. Well, it's time to serve now. Oh, I'm loving it.
Have fun making it.